Hi, I'm Tim Carter from AskTheBuilder.com, and you know what? Let's take a look at a third roof, and I think this one will be fascinating for you to look at. It's going to be a little tougher for you to figure out what to do in this case. Let's take a look right now. Okay, look at this roof here. Yep, see all of these missing granules at the edges of these shingles? And you can see up above there, the shingles curled a little bit. We'll get a little closer here. You can actually see there a nail head. And you can see missing granules, and you can actually see right here, look at all the exposed felt paper. This is how the shingles are made. You can see it here. All along here, we've got exposed felt paper. Even here, right in the middle of this shingle right here, look at that. See, there's missing granules. Okay, what do you think? Well, I'll tell you what, this is a 30-year shingle. It's rated for 30 years. It's a very heavy-duty laminated shingle, and when I say laminated, that's because, see right here, this is part of a shingle, but this tab is glued on top of this one, so this part here is actually 2 shingles thick. And then, of course, it overlaps the shingle here. This shingle down here actually goes way up underneath this one. So you have lots of roofing that's protecting the house. But this is a 30-year shingle, guaranteed. And it's only about 12 years old. So you're wondering, why are we seeing damage like this? Well, I'll tell you why. And look at this one. See all the felt paper on that one that's exposed? Well, this particular roof, it's in the northeast in New Hampshire. It gets a lot of snow and ice on it here at the lower edge of the roof, and that's where we're at. We're down near the gutter line. You can see here's the gutter. And the missing granules were caused by ice damage. So this particular roof, especially if you could look up way up higher on the roof, and you really can't see it from here, but you don't see any of that damage. The shingles up here look really, really good. And in my opinion, this roof here does not need to be replaced. Even though you're seeing damage like this, that doesn't mean that the roof is leaking. You know, the only place that you might have a leak start to happen is actually right here, where you see that exposed nail head. So this needs to have a little piece of flashing slit up underneath here that extends, a piece of metal that extends from here to here, between my finger and my thumb, and it goes all the way up, and it slides up about underneath here so that it fills this gap. And that way, any water coming from down the roof will ride over the flashing. It won't have a chance to get to this nail, and then the water will exit right about here. So that's how you fix that nail. Don't try to put any roofing cement on top of that. That'll just fall apart in a few years. It's that simple. All right, so there you have it. So that was a tough one. You can see that you just have to use a little bit of common sense. You have to know a little bit about shingles. But there are roofers that would come out here, I guarantee you, and tell this homeowner, oh my goodness, you need a whole new roof. That would be thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, when in fact they really don't. So I hope this helped you, and I hope you're going to be able to diagnose whether or not you need a new roof. I'm Tim Carter for AskTheBuilder.com.